Dreaming of living a life of luxury in the Philippines without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to unveil the secrets of enjoying the high life in this tropical paradise, without having to splash out on a fortune. We'll navigate through 4 main areas that will make your stay in the Philippines both luxurious and budget-friendly. Firstly, we'll explore accommodation options that offer comfort and authenticity without the hefty price tag. Then, we'll tantalize your taste buds with the local dining scene that delivers delectable delights on a dime. Moving on, we'll hop on to the cost-effective transportation means that are not only fun, but also light on the pocket. And finally, we'll dive into the world of entertainment, revealing how you can immerse yourself in the country's natural beauty and vibrant culture without spending a fortune. So, buckle up as we dive into the first tip: finding affordable accommodations. First things first, accommodations. You don't need a fancy hotel to experience luxury. Let's talk about affordable alternatives that'll give you a taste of the high life without the high price tag. Vacation rentals and guest houses are your best bets here. These options are not just cost-effective, but they also allow you to immerse yourself in the local culture. Imagine waking up in a cozy guest house, greeted by the warm Filipino hospitality. It's a priceless experience that money can't buy. And the best part? You can save a substantial amount that would otherwise be spent on expensive hotels. You could use these savings to extend your vacation or splurge on other experiences. So why not give these alternatives a shot? After all, luxury isn't just about grandeur, it's about the experience. Now that you're comfortably settled, let's move on to dining, a big part of any travel experience. Food lovers, rejoice! Dining in the Philippines doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. The local street food scene is a gastronomical adventure that's both wallet-friendly and incredibly delectable. Imagine savoring succulent barbecue skewers, grilled to perfection, and served with a tangy vinegar dip. Or cooling down with a bowl of halo, a delightful concoction of crushed ice, evaporated milk, and assorted sweet ingredients. These are just a couple of examples of the flavorsome street food offerings that you can sample for just a few pesos. And it's not just about the food, it's about the experience. The vibrant food markets, the sizzling street-side grills, the friendly vendors. It's a feast for all your senses. So, don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path and get a taste of the real Philippines. Satisfied your taste buds? Great. Now, let's talk about getting around. Forget pricey taxis. The local jeepneys and tricycles are the way to go. Not only will your wallet thank you, but you'll find these modes of transport offer a unique and fun way to see the country. Jeepneys, with their vibrant colors and festive decorations, are a truly Filipino experience. And tricycles? They're not just for kids. These motorized three-wheelers are an adventure in themselves. Affordable and exciting. That's how we roll here in the Philippines. Now that we've covered transportation, let's move on to entertainment. Entertainment doesn't have to cost a fortune in the Philippines. This tropical paradise is brimming with natural wonders that won't cost you a dime. Explore the pristine beaches, hike up the lush mountains, or watch a mesmerizing sunset by the bay. The country's natural beauty is your playground. Soak it up, relish every moment, and create priceless memories. So there you have it. Living luxuriously in the Philippines on a budget is totally possible. Thank you for watching.